vanilla. And today I'm going to make these balloon butterflies. They are really tricky, but I'm going to teach you them anyway. These are the materials you need: a pump and a balloon. It will be a twisty balloon because you're going to need to twist it. First, you are going to need to pump the balloon. You are going to need to leave this much space. I also tied it at the end. First, take this part and twist it. And same for the end. And then twist both of them together. Now you should have the butterfly body. Then take the part that's right across from the butterfly body and twist it towards it. Then you should have your butterfly like this. Now I have two wings, the back and the front. Then take both of the wings, well actually one, and fold them. Just like this. Do it same for the other side. It doesn't look like a butterfly, but that's why it's tricky. So then you want it to be a butterfly. So bring the front one to this back one. Then it still won't look like one. Then it comes up to the wings. Twist the back one and the front one to the wings. Then you have your butterfly. Now the butterfly can get its nectar. I hope you like my video. Bye!